Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best trip plan for Hyderabad. We'll cover everything you need to know for an unforgettable journey. First, let's discuss the optimal time to visit, ensuring pleasant weather for all your explorations. Then, we'll dive into crafting a perfect itinerary, suggesting a duration of 3 to 5 days to fully immerse yourself in the city's charm. Get ready to discover the rich history and vibrant culture of Hyderabad. Hyderabad boasts incredible historical sites that are absolute must-sees. Start with the iconic Charminar, a 400-year-old monument that stands as the city's symbol. Next, explore the majestic Golconda Fort, renowned for its clever acoustic system and rich history. Don't miss the opulent Chowmahala Palace, a stunning complex that offers a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the Nizams. These landmarks truly capture the essence of Hyderabad's glorious past. Beyond its history, Hyderabad offers a rich tapestry of culture, cuisine, and shopping. You absolutely must savor the world-famous Hyderabadi biryani, a truly unforgettable culinary experience. For shopping, explore the bustling markets for exquisite pearls, a specialty of the city, and vibrant lac bangles. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of the local bazaars, where you can find unique souvenirs and experience the true spirit of Hyderabad. It's a feast for all your senses. To make your Hyderabad trip smooth and enjoyable, here are some practical tips. For getting around, ride-sharing apps and auto rickshaws are readily available and convenient. It's always wise to book your accommodations and any major tours well in advance, especially during peak season. Remember to stay hydrated and prepare for warm weather, particularly outside of the cooler winter months. Hyderabad promises an unforgettable journey filled with history, flavor, and vibrant experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.